What most ERP project miss and how to set it right. Hi, I am Purvi Shah. Having lead ERP implementation across organization, I have seen firsthand what makes them succeed and where they often fall short. ERP is a game changer, but only when it's implemented with clarity, collaborations, and right priorities. Here are 3 game changing lessons from my own experience that can help any organization to set foundation for successful ERP implementation. First, begin with end in mind. Define KPI first, not last. Too often, companies rush into ERP implementation and think about dashboards post go live. Instead, start by asking what KPIs do our CXOs and leadership team truly care about. If you define this at early stage, you will ensure the system is designed to capture and report the right data. It will avoid costly reworks and ensures business value from the day one. 2. Balancing ambitions versus reality, managing expectations. It's easy to fall into the trap of over-engineering the system with too many customizations. But more isn't always the good. Be clear on what ERP can do versus what's nice to have. Keeping expectation realistic will ensure managing cost, reduce complexity, and enables adoption of proven industry practices from the day one. Third, people first, tech second. Build ownership across teams. ERP isn't an IT project, it's a business transformation. If only technical team will lead, it will fail. Involve business user from the day one. Make them a part of design, migration and rollout. If they feel ownership, adoption becomes natural and success follows. ERP is a powerful enabler. It can deliver value only when strategy, people, and execution are in sync. Hope this tips helps your team avoid common pitfall and drive long-term value. Want to deep dive into ERP best practices? Let's talk about your ERP journey. Connect with me on LinkedIn and send me a message. I would be happy to help tailor a strategy that works for your organization.